The greatness of a culture can be found in its festival. Very good afternoon to you all. I, Snehal Bhatia, teacher at Nehruwell School, welcome all my viewers in yet another Talking Diaries. A new month has come and it will surely ignite life in us and will keep us united. Before we proceed to discuss our topic, I want my super young panelists to share their crisp introduction with you. Over to you, Athar.
Thank you, ma'am. Good afternoon, friends. My name is Athar Mishra. I am in grade 1 at Nehruwell School and I love to paint. I nominate Ahad. Thank you, Athar. Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Abdul Anis. I'm in 101 at Nehruwell School. I love to play football. I nominate Ravneet. Thank you all. Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Ravneet Kaur. I'm 5 years old. I'm studying in Nehru School. In class 1A1, I like to dance and read books. I nominate Mishka to share about herself. Thank you, Ravneet, for nominating me. Good afternoon, friends. My name is Mishka Paruthi. I am in Cambridge 1 at Nehru World School and I love to dance. Over to you, ma'am.
Thank you, dear students. Viewers, I am sure you must be wondering what could be the topic for today. So let me reveal the suspense. Our today's discussion is all about festive seasons. When it comes to our country, India, we are a culture of festivals. It gives us rainbow for the storm, a smile for every tear, a promise for every care, and an answer to every prayer. Without further ado, let's start today's discussion. Let's begin with the first question. Do all people celebrate festivals? Ravneet, what do you feel about it?
Yes, everybody enjoy festivals.
All right.
Yes, yes, ma'am. Everybody enjoy festivals.
All right. Thank you, Ravni. Let's take one another input from Athar. Athar, what do you think about it?
Ma'am, I think everyone has to celebrate festivals.
All right. Thank you for sharing that, Athar. Coming to Mishka. Mishka, are some festivals more important or all are special in their own way?
Ma'am, I think all are special in their own way.
All right. Ahad, what are your thoughts about it?
Ma'am, I think all the festivals are or their own way.
All right. So you want to say that they are special in their own way. Is that what you are trying to say? Yes? All right. So Ahad, why are celebrations or festivals important? What makes you say that?
Ma'am, what do you say?
All right, let me repeat my question. Why are the celebrations important? Why do you think so?
Celebrations are important because we need to clean our house, decorate our house, put lights on our house, and spend time with our family, enjoy life, and eat good year.
All right, we eat Gujia. Great. Insuit to it. That's definitely adds joy and happiness in our lives. Moving ahead to Ravneet. So, Ravneet, would you like to share what are the types of festivals do we celebrate?
There are three types of festivals. Seasonal festival like Holi, Diwali, Raksha Bandhan, national festival like Independence Day, Republic Day, religious festival like Eid, Gurpurab, Christmas. Thank you, ma'am.
That's so informative, Ravneet. Thank you for sharing it in detail. I'm sure we would all agree to it. Great. Moving ahead, and the next one is for Mishka. Mishka, what does a festival mean in a family? What do you think about it?
We celebrate together. We do all the preparation together at home, and this helps us to create a bond with each other.
Indeed. And I must say, people of any religion are seen to be most enthusiastic for the festivals. All right, moving ahead to a third. So, a third, must we celebrate all the festivals and include everyone? What are your thoughts about it?
Yes, we must celebrate festival with everyone as we can enjoy more. Everyone come to our house to play with us, and we can enjoy more with friends and family members. Family members help us to decorate the house, light up the diyas, and make so many sweets.
Undeniably, a third. Thank you for sharing that. And you know what? That's the magic of festivals. Great. Thank you,
Ma'am,
Athar. Yes,
ma'am,
Athar.
can I ask one question to you?
Yes, please go ahead.
Which is your favorite festival and why do you like it?
Thank you for asking that question, Athar. So, you know what? I really enjoy celebrating all the festivals. Each festival has its own aura. As I said, they definitely add joy and happiness in our lives. But still, if it comes to my favorite festival, that's surely Christmas. And you know what? Why is it so? Because I get to decorate my Christmas tree with loads of lights and accessories, then sharing presents with each other, and finally eating a cake while having dinner with family serves as icing on the cake. I love celebrating Christmas. I have an idea. How about exceeding and discussing the I'm so sorry. Okay. How about exceeding the discussion and sharing the same thoughts on the same question? Good idea? Yes, do we all agree? Great. All right. So we are all going to share about our favorite festival and what do I like to do on my favorite festival. Let me repeat. Which is my favorite festival and what do I like to do on my favorite festival? And I nominate Ahad to go first. Over to you, Ahad.
My favorite festival is Holi because I like to spray water with my water gun, play with my water balloons, and eat gujia.
Thank you, Ahad. So, whom do you like to nominate next?
I nominate Mishka. Thank you, Ahad, for nominating me. My favorite festival is Holi. I like to play with water guns and water balloons. I nominate Ravneet to share about her favorite festival.
Thank you, Mishka, for nominating me. My favorite festival is Diwali because it is a festival of lights. We wash our house and decorate with lights and flowers. Thank you. I nominate Atal.
Thank you, Ravneet. My favorite festival is Christmas. We celebrate Christmas because it is the birthday of Jesus Christ, and we decorate our tree and get so many presents and make snowmen, and we have to place our toys under the tree.
That's fantastic. Thank you all for sharing such positive vibes with everybody. All right, let us bring this discussion towards an end by sharing one message with our viewers. And this time, let me nominate Mishka to go first.
Thank you, ma'am. We should be happy and we should spread happiness. I nominate Ahad. My message is don't spread litter, don't throw waste and litter here and there, and just only play eco friendly festivals.
All right, whom do you like to nominate?
I nominate Ravneet.
Thank you, Ahad. We should forget our differences and celebrate as a unity. I nominate Atal.
Thank you, Ravneet. My message is we have to do good work, help others, and spread love and happiness. I nominate Mishka.
All right, so Mishka has already shared. So let me take over it now. Thank you, dear students. I am sure all your viewers will agree to it. On this note, I am going to conclude this wonderful session with everyone by saying that festivals are exactly like glue in our lives that keeps us attached to our near and dear ones. And God feels happiest when we, his kids, are together and happy. Thank you, Mishka, Ravneet, Athar, and Ahad for sharing your feelings and thoughts and for leading this joyous conversation. So stay together, celebrate festivals, and enjoy being sticky.